attention. Don't goof around. Stand up. Look at that mic.
Okay.
I want you to look at the mic and listen to the song and sing the song. Listen to me. Look at the mic. Stand. You guys move from your spots. Stay where you're at. Stop. And no moving around. Look at the mic. You don't have to go like this, go like that. You don't have to do that. Just stay where you're at and go like this. Baby, you're a fire. The part that you guys know, sing, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Ready?
Here we go.
Test number 1. Yup, you're on your spots. Quit it in your dupa. Here we go.
John. Okay, we'll take care of that in a second.
Now, shh, quiet. Quiet. Take one. Shh. Shh.